Good morning to all of you. Myself Simran Kumari. I am student of class 10th and I am here to explain about the Ohm's law. Firstly, start with the introduction. I want to explain you that it was the law that is given by the German physicist who was the Georg Simon Ohm. From his name, this law was given the Ohm's law. He was discovered this law in 1827. This law gives a relationship between the I, that is the current, and the potential difference across its terminals. And according to this law, at a constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. From this law, we conclude many relations. That is, the V is directly proportional to I. That is, V is equal to IR and I is equal to VR, and also the resistance is equal to Vi, where R is a constant. From this relation, we also conclude that current is directly proportional to the potential difference. Also, the current is inversely proportional to the resistance. But there are the limitations of the Ohm's law. Firstly, this loss actually happens when the material is at the remain constant temperature. And the second limitation is that Ohm's law is not a universal law. Thank you.